My name is Jerry Morberg. I'm out of Perham, Minnesota. We're a seed, chemical, and fertilizer dealer. We sell channel seeds, some biologicals, and then numerous types of fertilizer. Our biggest disease challenges in soybeans in our area is we're right in the heart of Otter Tail County, lake country in Minnesota. We have a lot of humidity. All our soybeans are pretty much underwater, irrigated soybeans, and our biggest challenge with soybeans is white mold by far. What we recommend for our customers to combat white molds is Heads Up is a given, a good seed treatment along with that, and then we do numerous things like try to reduce our plant populations, different things like that. But Heads Up is a no-brainer for us. Our first experience with Heads Up, we did a bunch of trials through, who we buy our seed treatment through, he gave us a package of Heads Up and told us to go ahead and try this product out. Just with the region you're in, it's something I think you guys would really like. So that year we split a bunch of different fields, put Heads Up on one side of the pivot, without on the other. That data, we've seen some visual differences on some of that. Our best trial, and we've done it a couple times since, is put it split planter, planted all the way across the pivots. We've been trying to do numerous things for years at this point. Where we've seen our best results with Heads Up, on a particular pivot, we started at 160,000 seeds per acre. Split plant it with Heads Up and seed treatment, and then just seed treatment alone. As we came across the field, we kept dropping 20,000 units every so many rounds. Didn't really see a difference in the high populated areas with Heads Up, but as we came down, came across that field, when we got down to like 120,000 units, our yields had went from 30 bushels up to about 50, but Heads Up started just running away with it at that point. When we got down to like 100,000 seeds per acre, I think Heads Up was winning by 7 to 8 bushels. And we've replicated that a couple times now with the same results. So when we do a few different things with Heads Up, it runs away with the yield. Heads Up is something we recommend to everybody. Not everybody's using it, but we'd like to have it on every acre if possible. Working with Heads Up is a very simple step or process. We always have our standard mix in there, but the going Heads Up for the units we're going to treat, it's a very simple product to work with. Once we mix up our batches, it's very simple, blends well with the treatments that we're using. When times are tough like this right now, and just struggling to make money on soybeans, Heads Up is one of the better ROIs that we've ever worked with. If I had one thing to say about Heads Up, it's a very cheap trial to get into. It's a very economical product to go out and try. Doing a split planter trial, like I was talking, and going across the field, we seem to get better data than just trying to split a field. You're hitting all the peaks and valleys. A lot more similarity when you're split planting a trial like that, but just the economics of Heads Up and the return we see on it, it's just something that should be on every seed.